Why do Goldfields investors need some convincing about the merits of the Yamana deal?
Yeah, thanks very much for the opportunity. I think
Hi, Chris.
Right up front, the deal is not that apparent to both Goldfields shareholders and to Yamana shareholders. So after spending 7 months doing due diligence, I think it was always going to take a bit of time to be able to get shareholders over the line. And we absolutely prepared to do that. And then I think the second thing was the big premium of about 30% that we needed to pay to buy for the Yamana set of assets. So I think that the combination of both of those 2 points have meant that we've needed to take time. Shareholders do seem to be getting over the line. And although we had a very big drop in share price performance over the first week or so, since then versus the market, Goldfields has started to reclaim some of that lost ground. And I think versus the market now, we're about -7 or 8%. So certainly getting back as shareholders start understanding the deal to a much greater extent.
So let's help them with that process then, Chris, and please use this as a platform to do so. Where do these assets then leave the portfolio, and how do you plan to unlock value? So if you could really state the case to the shareholders who could be listening.
Yeah, I mean, one of the things about Goldfields is we're in a very, very strong position. So we grow value and we grow production over the next few years. So we peak production at about 2.8 million ounces, but thereafter we start dropping off as some of the assets come to the end of their life. So one of the things that we get in Yamana is a combination of assets that are in the regions in which we operate. So both in South America, we build on our footprint in Chile, we add Argentina, Brazil to our South American portfolio. So we bulk up our South American portfolio and we get access into Canada, which we've long sought to try get in without paying a massive premium to get into Canada. So with our Australian assets, the assets that we've got in Ghana and South Africa, now bulking up our Peruvian and Chilean operations with a much bigger suite of assets, so bulking up our South American operations and getting access into Canada, we'll have 3.5 to 4 million ounces in some of the best gold mining jurisdictions of the world. And we'll have opportunities in some of the Goldfields with our expertise to be able to unlock some of the long-term projects in both Argentina and Canada to grow the ounce profile of Goldfields. So it's that combination of assets that we know,
right.
Our technical ability to grow that in the mines that we're taking on will help us to have a sustained 10, 20-year life of mine at 4 million ounces.